Hi guys, my name is TheYetiNinja. I'm here to bring you another tutorial on how to mod Minecraft. This is episode 2 and I'm going to teach you how to code your own block. And so without further ado, let's get started. So, what you want to do is, I'm assuming you've already set up Eclipse. If not, watch my previous tutorial. So go here, you go Client, Sources, Net Minecraft Sources. And you want to create a new class because we have ModLoader installed. So, left click on Net Minecraft Source, New Class, and now this is mandatory. You'll have to type in mod underscore. It's just how ModLoader works, so deal with it. I'll just call it test block. Go finish, and it's already included the package for us. That's lovely. So in this public class, mod test block. Okay, we need to do something quickly. We need to make this extend base mod, and let me just type it in quickly. And it's just another class which ModLoader has used for us to inherit all of these classes. I'll show you right now. So it allows us to inherit all these classes and we can use any of these methods whenever we want to. So that's very useful. And I'm also going to hopefully assume you know a bit of Java. I mean, it's not mandatory, but it would really help. So, okay. We're getting an error here. And it says it must implement the inherited abstract method version. And if you check here in base mod, it says here public abstract string version, and abstract basically means you have to override it. Yeah, you have to. You don't have a choice. So simply type in public string version. Yeah, and you just want to return a string. So just say anything like test mod block for 1.7.3. I mean, you could just like type in the normal version, but I think this is what like pops up when ModLoader is running or something. I don't know, it's just, I don't even know why he uses it, just type it in. Now what you want to do is you want to create a constructor. If you don't know what that is, just follow along. Basically it's the, here let me just go mod test block. Basically what the constructor is going to do is going to allow us to add some more characteristics to the block. But before we do that, let's just look in a class called block.java, and you'll find it over here on the list, just here, block.java. Open that up and scroll all the way down, and you'll find a huge list later on, right here, this very long list of all the blocks in the game, everything, torchwood, which is actually a torch, sorry, not a torch, you know what I mean. So crops, tilled fields, yeah, stone oven, iron, yeah, you see all this stuff, yeah, ice, cactus. Right, so we're just gonna copy this, but we're gonna give it our own name. So public static final block, whatever. So let's go. Outside the constructor, just simply type in public static final block. I'm just gonna name mine test block. And then if you want to be organized, just type this in. If not, just go equals new. But if you want to be organized, just do this, static, make a curly braces, and you want to say test block equals new block. Okay, now you want to put in 3 arguments in here. You want to put in the item ID, so I'm going to put in 150 because I like that number. The second one, you want to put in the block index and texture. And the block index and texture, if you want me to show you, is in your MCP. If you just go temporary, bin, Minecraft, and you see here, terrain. You just open this up, wait, yeah, let me just enlarge it. Oh, okay, no. Let me enlarge it. Zoom in a bit. See here, you see all the block textures, yeah? So this is texture 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's texture 6, yeah? Cool. We don't need to worry about this, so just put in 0. I'll show you why in a minute. Now what you want to do is you want to put in the material. So you go material dots, and you see a list of materials here. I'll put mine a material.sand because I want mine to be a nice, soft, soothing material. So let's put in some more stuff into it. So set hardness, and this is going to set how hard it is to break the block. So if I put in 0.2F, I think that's as hard as leaves. So if I put something in like 1F, I think that's as hard as stone. So that you can see sort of like the level. Obsidian is 10F, bedrock is -1, which is why it's unbreakable. Let's put on some more stuff. Set resistance. This is how resistant it is to TNT. I'll put it 10, very resistant. It says resistant as stone. set step sound, and you want to put in a step sound, so I'm going to put in block dots since we're taking from the block class. Sound.stand footstep. We'll put in another couple things. Set light value. The maximum light value is 1F, just remember that. And this we have to put in. Set block name. I have no idea why, but we do, I think. And just put test block in there. This is not the name that's going to pop up when we hover over it. Right, so we've got our block. What do we do with it? Well, we first want to give it a name, don't we? So let's do this. Modloader dot, and this is in the constructor, so modloader dot add name. And we want to put our object in there, so test block, and then the string. Right, so put our little brackets there, sorry, not our brackets, quotation marks. Let's type in something really cool. Oh my god. Test block. Smiley face. Now because this is a block, we want we want modloader to register the block. So if you just type this in, modloader.register block. Yeah, and then you just put in the block. You don't have to put any other arguments, just test block the objects. And that should be it. That should be your block added. There shouldn't be anything else. Now, obviously, your block doesn't generate. There's no crafting recipe for it. You simply said, "Hi Minecraft, I've got a new block for you, and it's called test block. This is the characteristics of the test block, and this is what you are going to show me when I hover over it." That's all you've added for now. Join me next time in another tutorial. I'll be showing you how to add crafting recipes, add custom generation, and then I'll probably go into more in-depth stuff. Add your own items, which is actually easier than blocks, trust me. And then maybe I'll get into some mobs and stuff, but that stuff's quite hard, so you'll definitely need some Java knowledge on that. Other than that, if you want to test just to make sure that it works, let me do that now. Just click run and it'll start up for you. This is a fresh Minecraft, this is not your other one, so if you get any like massive errors and something corrupts, it's okay. So you create a new world, yeah? Let me go full screen. And it's generating the level, building the terrain, it's doing all that lovely good stuff which we've just changed, yeah? We've manipulated the Minecraft code, yes. See, it works, we still have our achievements, I'm getting a massive lag. But yeah, we can't see our block. Join me next time, I'm going to make my own texture for a block possibly, and if you really want me to do that, you can ask, but I mean, you know, I'm no artist, so don't ask me. If you really want to, then ask me. But other than that, guys, I'll see you next time. Hope this tutorial helps, and goodbye. Right, guys, one quick thing I forgot. Yeah, let me just rewrite it for you guys so I can go over it. You want to add the override, so you don't actually have to override the terrain.png file, and I left this out, sorry guys. So all you got to do is just go test block dot block index in texture equals, and this is another modloader thing, so modloader dot add override. Okay, there you go. And this takes two arguments. It takes what we want to override and what we're going to override it with. So we want to override the terrain.png file, and I'm pretty sure you've seen that already, yeah? And make sure you add the .png and the slash, that's also important. And just override this with whatever, so slash, I don't know, test block. And you want to also make sure it's a .png or ping file. That is, I think, required. Because it's just ping like handles opacity or something. Yeah, anyways, that is required. And if you're wondering where the block index and texture, it's this int right here. No worries, just add it, you know. And that is for sure now everything that I want to add to this tutorial. Again, for a second time, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it benefited you. And again, I will see you next tutorial. Bye.